Hello my friend, it is I, Vadim. How are you doing? In this video I want to explore 1440p high refresh rate gaming on RTX 2060 graphics card. Is it genius or stupid? Let's find out by first testing competitive games and then moving on to demanding AAA titles. By the way, links to all the PC parts for this build are in the description below. Apex Legends manages to stay at 144 FPS most of the time using medium settings. FYI, I kept the view distance settings at maximum for all games, and at least one XAA is turned on. Fortnite on medium shows even better results with over 150 FPS. Rainbow Six Siege on medium settings is averaging 164 FPS with 137 minimum. You can reach 157 minimum FPS if you are okay with dropping the quality down to low. In League of Legends, at maximum settings you can count on having close to 200 FPS most of the time. Expect above 100 FPS in PUBG on medium quality. Warzone is one of the more demanding competitive games. On normal quality, with all the effects turned all the way down, I managed to stay at 80 to 90 FPS. Now let's have a look at AAA games. Cyberpunk is running at above 50 FPS on high preset with DLSS set to quality mode. It feels good, so no need to lower the settings. Control is visually impressive. I was surprised to see that it can run above 60 FPS maxed out with DLSS on quality mode. Without DLSS you will have to take one step down in quality for 50 plus FPS experience. I am running Red Dead Redemption 2 on a balanced preset that has some effects turned down but textures are set to ultra. The game looks and plays great at a 50 FPS average. The Witcher 3 is going to be the last game today. Expect a 60 FPS experience with occasional drops down to 50 on ultra quality. In conclusion, I think it is safe to say that you can use RTX 2060 to game at 1440p and have a good time. Of course you will have to make some quality sacrifices here and there, but in these difficult times I feel like buying an RTX 2060 can be the best option. Additionally, DLSS works well and a lot of new games support it. What do you think about it? Like the video and subscribe for more. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.